Hey y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. I just wanted to say thank you all for subscribing. It has really touched my heart. Today I hit the 200th subscriber and I'm so grateful and appreciative. And I just wanted to come on and say thank you, thank you, thank you to everyone who has subscribed to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. And thank you again. Be looking out for new videos coming soon. I'm just waiting for some supplies to come in from Amazon, and I'll be uploading those DIYs, the shop with me's, and I'll be starting my thrift shopping again in January. So everybody stay blessed until the next video. And remember, if it ain't cheap, we ain't buying it.